Hello guys,
Hi guys,
my name is Sudais.
my name is Evan, and today Sudai and I were going to offer you a free Chinese course. It is called HSK. So today we're going to start with the lesson 1 with the first level, level 1 Chinese. It is called HSK. So why HSK is important to African?
Because when you come to China, you are going to do HSK1 because it's very so important. When you come to China, you are going to face a language barrier. So follow us.
So let's start, okay? And this course is for free.
Free.
So I want to talk a little bit more about the tongues. In China, we have 4 tongues to direct you how to spell the words correctly. You know, in English, for the A, only there's one tongue. They don't have they have no difference between different tongues, right?
Yeah.
But in China, it matter. The tongues matter. So let's put A. So when the tongue above the A is the first one, it would be because A in China we spell R, not A, okay? So the second one is R, yeah. And the third one, and the last one, yeah, okay, this is the 4 tongues, the basic tongues of Chinese. So the lesson 1 of HSK1 will give you 4 words. So let me teach you one by one. So the first one, 你好.
你好.
你好 means hello, hi, okay? And how to spell, follow me. N means an I, when you spell it, it would be ni, but with the tongues above the I, you have to spell like ni, okay? And this one, H, A, O, H 是 h. A in China is spelled R. O in China is O. R, O, Ao, H, Ao, How. But there's a mark above it. It shows you the tongue. It's the third tongue.
Yeah.
So you have to spell Hao. It's not how, it's how. Okay, it's different. It's how. And this is the first word, 你好. So how to use 你好?
Okay, we can do an action for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. 你好.
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 Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
but
meet
in
you.
China you have to say 你好.
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 Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So the second word is 你们好. Look, what's the difference between these two?
I think the difference is this.
Yeah, 们.
Man.
So what's the meaning of 们? 们 means is many people.
Yeah.
你好 is for you to greet only one people. If you want to greet many people or many friends, you have to add a 们 between 你 and 好. So it would be 你们好 means the hi everyone. Okay? So you see 们 how to spell? 们 M in China is 么. E in China is N is same N. Okay, so in China 们 you see the tongue is vertical vertical is men. So men.
Okay.
Men. So the whole words would be 你们好. Hi everyone. Okay?
Yeah. 你们好.
So how to use it?
你们好.
你们好. For example, when you're facing the whole class, you can say 你们好.
你们好.
Okay, got it? Simple, right? So the third one, 对不起. 对不起 means sorry. Means sorry. Okay. How to spell? The we 对 不 起 对不起. You see the tone is different for the spelling. This tone is the fourth one. Okay, and bu same, the third tone, and this one the how to say? Oh sorry. This time, this two is the fourth time, and this one is the third time. So it just show you how to spell it correctly. 对 you have to 对 you can't spell like 对 There's 4 times, and this one you have to spell the fourth one. 对不起 means sorry. So how to use it?
Yeah, we use 对不起 like when you hurt someone. Yeah, when you hurt someone, you meet with someone in the streets, you just hurt him.
Yeah.
You know, a mistake.
Yeah.
It's just a normal
mistake.
mistake.
So you can say 对不起.
对不起 means sorry.
Sorry.
Means sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So we can do an action 对不起.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
When I come across the street, right, I would. Oh, 对不起. 对不起. You can use it this way.
对不起.
Okay. So the last one, 没关系. 没关系 it means doesn't matter. It's alright. It's fine. Okay. How to spell? 没 because the tongue is the second one. 没 the 个弯关 the tongue is the first one. The tongue 关 C. The X in China we spell C because the fourth tongue, so it would be C. Okay, 没关系 means doesn't matter. It's alright.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Don't mention. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, but for example, when I touch Sudai by accident and I say sorry, he would reply me, oh, 没关系, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the way how to use it.
We can do the action again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, 对不起.
没关系.
Okay. This is the way how to use it. Very simple. So now it's practicing time. Okay. Repeat after me 5 times this word. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's begin with the tongues. Okay. Follow me. Last time. Good. So follow me. 你好.
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 Okay. 你们好.
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 你们好，
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 对不起，
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 对不起。
对不起，
OK，没关系，
没关系，
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 没关系。
没关系。
Good job。
你好，
嗯
你们好，
嗯
对不起，
嗯，
没关系，
没关系，没关系。
没关系。
Good job。See you.
See you.
This is the lesson 1 of HSK 1. So in next video we're going to teach you the lesson 2 of HSK 1. Okay?
Okay,
So,
guys, please
see you.
don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Please subscribe.
Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
You know, you can pick anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
You don't have to buy the books by yourself.
Yeah.
Everything online is for free. We
For
teach
free.
you Chinese for free.
Yeah, free.
Okay, see you.
See you. Thank you.
Bye bye.